This is Cal. It's UN Day at school, so he's wearing a traditional Filipino barong Tagalog. Cal is Filipino. Or is he? This is Cal. You can't tell, but he's scared. Ever since Cal arrived in New York, he's been asked, "Where are you from?" a lot, and to that, Cal doesn't have an answer. He doesn't feel like Singapore, where he grew up, is the right answer. There, he was just an expat. And he doesn't feel American either. What he feels most is that he's Filipino, but recently he started to doubt that too. What is Cal? That question pesters him like a mosquito you can't see but can hear all too well. And Cal wants to know, is he Filipino? Cal stares at himself in the mirror. He's always felt like he looked Filipino, but he starts to think back and he's not sure if that's true. Whenever he goes overseas, he's greeted with ni haos and xie xies. At first, he just thought it was because some people couldn't tell the difference between Asian ethnicities. But then once, when Cal was in Bohol, he was talking to a Filipino, and they said ni hao to him. So Cal asked his parents what exactly their ancestry is. That explains a lot. Cal is 5'11", 7 inches taller than the average male Filipino. He's also light-skinned to the point that he looks Asian. And apparently, in a convoluted way, he is. Cal stares into the mirror. He won't find any answers here. Cal sits at his laptop, closes his eyes, and plays back old videos of himself. You're gonna have a lot of dumb ideas, but I wish the piano still worked. It'd be so cool. Why doesn't it work? Cal opens his eyes, and his gaze drifts to the sticky on his desk, a sticky that has been there for nearly a year. For some reason, Cal can't bring himself to start, and he wonders why. After all, he's jealous. He's jealous that his Mexican roommate knows fluent Spanish, that his Korean roommate knows fluent Korean. He so wants to be able to say that he can speak fluent Tagalog. Whenever Cal sings Filipino songs, he always struggles with the Tagalog bits. The only ones he can sing decently are the ones that are primarily English.
You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling.
Cal closes his laptop. It depresses him that if he was lost in the middle of Laguna, he'd have to hope someone knew English to help him find his way.
Oh my gosh. Ang pusong araw-araw aminin ko ay ngayon sa'yo. Ngayon lang nagkagan aminin ko na.
Cal opens a book he got last September. Filipino-American Helena visits the Philippines for the first time, and while she appears Filipino, she spends the story trying to figure out whether or not she really is. After all, she can't speak Tagalog and has only seen the Philippines in pictures before. Unlike Helena, though, Cal's been to the Philippines plenty of times. Besides 2 pandemic-stricken years, he's always had a tropical Christmas. This is the last sunrise of 2022. Oh yeah, sunset I mean. But even then, at the yearly tourist gatherings, he always felt out of place, like a Pinoy pretender. Everyone else lived in the Philippines except for him. Him and his brother.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, listen, do you feel Filipino?
Huh?
Do you feel Filipino?
What do you mean?
Because I don't, and I was just wondering if you, felt the same way.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, but, how?
I mean, for example, in IASIS, we were given this form to fill out to put where we're from. That's how they were going to introduce us onto the field, and it was really hard for me to really land on a place to put because I don't really feel like I'm from anywhere, like I feel like I'm anything. Because we didn't really grow up where mom and dad grew up in the Philippines, but I chose to put Filipino because I guess it's just really hard to identify as something, and it's just something that I had to choose for myself.
Choose? It's something you get to choose? Can Cal really do that? Ultimately, Helena leaves Manila to return to New York, where she feels like she belongs. That's where Cal is now, but unlike her, he doesn't really feel like he's a New Yorker. At heart, she's not Filipino. But Cal hasn't come to a decision yet. He might not really look Filipino or speak Tagalog, but what he does get to do is choose. And he's still figuring that out. He'll get back to you when he does. Or he might not get back to you at all.